for Reedy. Reedy's waiting for her breakfast. Go on, go give that to Reedy. Good morning. Oh, well done, Corey. Good job. Good morning, guys, and welcome to night 4 of VLOGnukkah. Thank you so much for watching our Hanukkah family vlogs. Let me know if you've been watching them all. I would love to know that. I think that's really cool. I wanted to catch up with you this morning. It is Sunday morning, and Corey's playing with that vacuum, if you've seen any of the vlogs. I wanted to catch up with you guys and talk about Havdalah. So every Saturday night I do a solo Havdalah, and last night things just got so late because we were at my in-laws for dinner, and then we had to come home and do bath time, bedtime, and everyone was crazy with all the presents that I didn't get to show it. So I just wanted to share what I do because I get a lot of questions. So I used to use a Havdalah candle, and sometimes I'll add a Kiddush cup. I don't always have the spices, but again, it's really just for me. It's like a solo reflection prayer time. I do it after the kids have gone to bed, at night, after Shabbat ends. I have a book called HUGE, which I've shown on here before. It's a Jewish song booklet. It has the Havdalah prayers in it. This one is from United Synagogue Youth, or United Synagogue of Conservative Judaism. I practice conservative Judaism. That's kind of a weird way to say it, but basically there's branches within Judaism: Orthodox, Affirm, Conservative, Reconstructionist. There's different ones, and I am a member of the conservative movement, and this is like one of their books. But anyways, I just wanted to let you know because I've started sharing on Instagram my Havdalah candle, and every time I do Havdalah, I'll just post a little bit, like a clip of the flame and something I'm thinking about. So I'm sorry that I didn't get to vlog it last night. Because I did want to talk to you guys about it. So I thought I would just talk to you this morning. Yeah, Corey, how's that vacuuming? Good? So I thought I would just mention it this morning that if you're looking for a way to do some sort of like self-prayer, reflection, all that stuff with like some Jewish ritual objects, but you're struggling like because you can't go to synagogue or you don't have a huge family or all these like barriers, this is something I really recommend that you can just do by yourself in your own way. So with that little spiel, let's get on with the day. Time for
opening presents.
That's right, we've got a big present from the boys, Uncle and Aunt, huh? You excited?
Cameron keeps wearing his fireworks.
Yeah, it is. So this one is not for Mommy and Daddy, but it is pretty exciting. It's for both of them.
What'd you guys get?
A car.
Jump in.
What is it?
A car.
A car.
Where's the
Whoa.
There's no door, you just climb in.
Oh.
What do you guys think? Is that awesome?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You wanna go for a ride? It drives. Did you know that?
Yeah.
What? Okay, I'm just gonna say it. I'm afraid for when they get on the road. Well, guys, guess what time it is? I'll give you a hint. I've got potatoes. I've got an onion. I've got a little baby who's gonna knock over my camera. It's time to make latkes. So I realized I only shared my latke recipe in a vlog. I also posted it on my website, like written out, but I don't have a video that just is how to make latkes, and I should have done that this year. So can someone remind me to do that next year? But anyways, I'm going to show how I do it right now. But basically, I take about 6 to 8 potatoes, 1 onion, 2 eggs, and then a tiny bit, like let's say 1/3 of a cup, that is upstairs, of flour. And the key for latkes is, in my opinion, shaping and frying. The ingredients are really simple, and some people are like, oh, you should use baking powder or baking soda, you should use matzo meal. Personally, I don't think any of that matters. You can actually just leave those out and just have the onion and potato even. I kid you not. But one, you want them to be dry. So once you've shredded them, you're gonna put them in here so that all that extra moisture is gone. Second of all, how you form them, I'm going to spin them. I actually love this tip that Melissa from Little Kosher Lunch uses. You twirl them and it really keeps the strands together. And then for me, I like to fry them in a Dutch oven. I have my Le Creuset over there, which I love. It keeps the temperature really even, so you don't get like splattering oil, you don't get it super hot, it stays really even and it doesn't burn. So even though some people say like an iron skillet is the best or a regular frying pan, I disagree. I think for ease and taste, simplicity, I go with that. So let's get started. Let's make some latkes. Okay, so this is what the mixture is gonna look like. I'm going to put it in here to drain out all the moisture, and then I'm gonna switch it to a bowl to combine the egg and flour. Okay, so I cracked the eggs, and then I just wanna show you guys, this is the dry potato mixture, and I'm really squeezing out as much moisture as I can. I'm gonna combine these two and then add the flour. So my oil is heating in the pan. It's definitely hot by now. Here is my potato mixture, and I'm gonna show you guys how I twirl it, plop it in, and then I really wanna leave it to rest. I don't wanna rush it. I wanna let it cook for a few minutes until the bottom side is golden brown before flipping it. Okay, we're pausing latke making because we are doing Zoom candle lighting thingy with my family who's all over the world. So we're doing it at this time and saying hi to the family.
He's turning around with him right now. Show what else?
What happens if you land on Shin? I'm just gonna put some salt on them and take out the paper towel, put them in the oven just to do a final like crisp on them until we're ready to eat. So I am back in my Latka Move It sweatshirt. I just showered and got ready, well, getting ready. We are actually going to Max's preschool tonight for a little Hanukkah thingamajig. We are staying in our cars the whole time, so it's gonna be dinner and candles in the car. It's gonna be a lot of 2020 fun. So I thought I would just say goodnight right now because we probably won't light candles again when we get home. It'll probably be a craziness. But I just want to let you know I just put in a grocery order for pickup tomorrow, so I will share our Jewish kosher style weekly meal plan grocery order for the week. And yeah, that's what we got going on tomorrow. So thank you so much for watching this vlog. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like it. Hit that red subscribe button down below so you don't miss any more of my content. And I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.